2026 Czinger 21C Supercar is one of the most futuristic and technologically advanced hypercars ever created, combining speed, luxury, and innovation in a way that redefines modern performance vehicles. Built with groundbreaking manufacturing techniques and a design philosophy that blends aerodynamics with aggressive styling, the Czinger 21C stands out as not just a car, but a statement of engineering mastery. This review takes you through the specifications, features, and performance highlights of the Czinger 21C to give enthusiasts and potential buyers a complete look at what this incredible supercar has to offer. At first glance, the exterior of the Czinger 21C captures attention with its low-slung stance, sculpted carbon fiber bodywork, and futuristic lines designed for maximum aerodynamic efficiency. Every curve and angle of the car is built with function in mind, ensuring high downforce and stability even at extreme speeds. The signature dihedral doors not only add a dramatic flair but also reflect the exclusivity and innovation Czinger brings to the table. The lightweight design comes from Czinger's revolutionary 3D printing and AI-driven engineering process, making the 21C a true next-generation machine that reduces unnecessary weight while maintaining unmatched strength. Under the hood, the Czinger 21C is powered by a hybrid twin-turbo V8 engine combined with advanced electric motors, producing over 1,200 horsepower. This allows the supercar to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2 seconds, placing it among the fastest hypercars in the world. Its top speed exceeds 270 miles per hour, putting it in direct competition with legendary names like Bugatti and Koenigsegg. The hybrid powertrain not only delivers insane acceleration but also ensures a more efficient performance setup, proving that raw power can coexist with modern sustainability goals. The Czinger 21C comes with an all-wheel drive system that gives drivers precise handling, ultimate grip, and control whether on the road or the track. Inside the cabin, the Czinger 21C offers a driver-focused cockpit that blends luxury with cutting-edge technology. The interior features a unique central seating position, where the driver sits in the middle with a passenger seat directly behind, similar to a jet fighter. This design enhances visibility and delivers a pure driving experience unmatched by traditional seating layouts. The seats are lightweight yet comfortable, upholstered with premium materials to give both luxury and sportiness. Digital displays provide real-time performance data, while advanced infotainment options keep the experience modern and connected. Everything about the cabin reflects Czinger's philosophy of combining futuristic engineering with driver engagement. One of the most exciting aspects of the Czinger 21C is its exclusivity. Production numbers are extremely limited, ensuring that only a select group of enthusiasts will own this masterpiece. This exclusivity, combined with its performance, makes it a dream car for collectors and supercar fans worldwide. Beyond just speed and luxury, the Czinger 21C represents a vision of the future, where AI-driven design and sustainable production methods create vehicles that push the boundaries of what is possible. In conclusion, the 2026 Czinger 21C Supercar is a masterpiece that blends engineering brilliance, futuristic technology, and mind-blowing performance. From its hybrid twin-turbo V8 powertrain to its carbon fiber aerodynamics and advanced driver-focused cockpit, it is a car designed to dominate roads and tracks while setting new benchmarks in automotive innovation. If you are a true car enthusiast who loves speed, exclusivity, and futuristic design, then the Czinger 21C deserves your full attention. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more detailed reviews, specs, and features of the world's most powerful supercars. This is just the beginning of many exciting reviews and automotive content we will share with you. Our channel is MA Autogarage, dedicated to bringing you the latest updates, insights, and reviews of the most luxurious and high-performance cars on the planet. Stay tuned and join our community of car enthusiasts by subscribing now.